welcome to today's video. Rolling Gaming here. So in today's video, we are going to be covering how to compress your videos. Like you have a video file that is like 1 gig and you want to upload it to YouTube, or you want to send it to a friend. So you are worried about the data cost. So you can reduce that video size from 1 gig to like 500 megabytes or to like 400 megabytes without the quality dropping. So we're going to be using a free app called Compress, this app here. So you now go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to get the app. Let's go to our Apple Store. Since I already have it installed, I'll be downloading it again. Let's search for Compress. So this one I already have it installed and it's free. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. You click on this button. Now we'll be compressing this video, my Master video. So I usually go with 50% compression rates. It has a good quality. 50% compression rate. The original video is 30 megabytes. So after compressing it out 60 megabytes, there will be an ad while compressing, because the app is free, and that's how this app make most of their money through ads. So compress, it will come up soon after the compression, and you have your video is already ready for you. So this is the video, and this is super view back. So that's it for you. As you can see, the didn't drop, and the quality is still okay as the original. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Comment down below which app I should cover next. I usually cover apps that I use on my phone. If you have any requests of any app, I'll cover it. So in our next video, I'll be covering CapCut, how to use CapCut to edit your videos and more. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Hold me close till I get up.